trees swayed as the warm breeze passed by. The ocean shimmered a sparkling blue, and summer was calling to me and to you. And far on the horizon, dark clouds appeared. A rumble of thunder was suddenly heard. The wind started blowing, the waves started rising, as nature awoke with a roar so surprising. Oh, tropical storm on a summer's day, rolling across as the sunlight fades away. Thunder is crashing, the lightning shines bright, rain falls like diamonds throughout the night. Oh, tropical storm, let your wild winds blow, dance through the palms as the dark waters flow. For after the tempest, when skies turn to blue, the sun will come shining its way back to you. Like rivers from heaven, the clock struck the hour. It was barely past 7. The rooftops were drumming a wild, frantic beat, while torrents came rushing along every street. The lightning flashed silver across the dark sky, as thunder rumbling nearby. But slowly the storm began drifting away, and golden light followed the end of the day. Oh, tropical storm on a summer's day, rolling across as the sunlight fades away. Thunder is crashing, the lightning shines bright, rain falls like diamonds throughout the night. Oh, tropical storm, let your wild winds blow, dance through the palms as the dark waters flow. For after the tempest, when skies turn to blue, the sun will come shining its way back to you. Now the clouds are fading, the stars start to gleam, the moon casts its silver across the calm stream. The palms gently whisper as warm breezes play, and summer returns at the end of the day. The storm has passed over, the world feels brand new. The tropical night wears a deep shade of blue, and somewhere beyond where the dark waters roll, the summer storm echoes deep.